Oh yes, I fell in love yesterday when I got off the plane. It's fantastic.
Welcome to the Fine Cheese Company. We're based out of Bath, England. We're an exporter and selector of all British cheeses. We move all over the world, but we're here for the American market. We're the only cheese company that owns its own bakery. So all of our baked goods, cookies, crackers, and biscuits are all handmade and made in the UK and exported to the US. This is our second show for IDDBA. So far, we've really enjoyed it. We've met some great people, had some great conversations.
My name is Matt Connelly. I'm the Director of Business Development with the Wonderfield Group. We are a franchise retail service provider within grocery, wholesale, supermarket formats. Today we're featuring our Snow Fox brand. And the IDDBA is great for us because it's an excellent time for us to connect with our current retail partners, meet with any prospective retail clients that might be wanting to explore our opportunities and what we have to offer them.
Yeah, so we are Janet's Finest Compotes. We are in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and we have compotes that pair with specialty cheese, and we're so happy to be at IDDBA this year. It's been a great show. It's been really great to be able to meet people while they're walking and having them stop by, try out products for the first time, and then also see a lot of friends who we know in the industry and be able to reconnect. It's great to be able to do that here in New Orleans.
Yeah, so we're a charcuterie out of Atlanta, Georgia. We've been in business making salamis for 15, coming up on 16 years. Everything's pasture raised, antibiotic and hormone free. We kind of do a thing with what we call New American Charcuterie, which is utilizing some of the ingredients in the terroir of the Southeast US especially. Charcuterie is such a European institution, and that's great, and we love that. But we like doing our own spin and doing new things with it. Today, we're having a pretty nice time chatting with everybody, and it's always a conversation, there's always a discussion to be had.
The IDDBA show so far has been really great. So hi, I'm Beth. I'm from Antonina's Gluten-Free Bakery, and we bake muffins, cupcakes, brownies, and cakes, and everything is gluten-free. And what's cool about it is that you won't know that it's gluten-free. Everyone who tastes it is so surprised that it's gluten-free. And so that's what we really feel really good about and what really makes it a strong brand at retail.